Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to insert watermark to certain pages in a PDF file using Foxit PDF Editor. Open your PDF file and select Organize option, and here you will find this watermark option. Click here. Now select Add Watermark. There are two kinds of watermark. This is file or logo watermark and this text watermark. And click here and type your watermark name. I'll type this watermark and see this. Here you can see watermark style. Also you can see font size and this font color. Also you can rotate watermark and see this. Also you can increase this watermark and see this. You can change watermark opacity and you can appear this behind or top of this page. And this watermark scale relative. You can increase this one and make it 60. See this. Now select this page range option. Here I let this watermark and page range only first two pages and other page remain same, and simply say it OK and select OK and see this watermark now inserted only for first two pages and other pages remain same, and see this. Now finally select this file option, save or save as your PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.